So your Fire TV Stick 4K Max is showing a hazy or grainy display and you're not getting that crisp 4K resolution you paid for. Turns out a lot of people are running into this exact same issue. So let's see how to change your display resolution. You can access the display resolution settings in two different ways. The quicker method is to press and hold the home button on the remote, then straight go to display. Or you can take the regular route, open the hamburger menu, head over to settings, then go to display and sounds, from there to display, and then open video resolution. Now here you'll see different resolution options depending on what your host TV supports. That can range from 720p to 1080p all the way up to 4K. Just try switching between them and see which one looks best on your screen. And that's not all. Keep in mind your internet connection also plays a big role in streaming resolution and picture quality. So make sure your connection is stable and fast enough. We already have a video showing how to check your internet speed and connection strength on Fire TV Stick. So feel free to check that out as well. That's all for today. Thanks for your time with us.